Principal, Reverend Father Rector, Mrs. Charushila, respected teachers, and my dear friends. And welcome to our Class 6B's Assembly. Our topic being Responsibly Free.
India. India got freedom. India got freedom on 15th August 1947. We celebrate this as our Independence Day. But what does this freedom mean? Freedom is the power or right to speak, think, or act as one wants. It is having our own choices. We all have freedom of movement, of religions, speech, association, and so many more.
But we must not misuse this privilege. We must also care about others around us. Our freedom comes with duty and responsibility. Responsibility is being accountable for our own actions. So, we must have a sense of responsibility and respect the freedom of others. We must act responsibly free. Let us see how important it is to be responsible with our given freedom in the following skit.
Scene 1. Showing respect to others.
A boy and his friends are screaming in the class while the monitor is trying to ensure discipline.
Please keep quiet, everyone. Don't make noise. Please keep quiet, everyone. Monitor, why is there so much noise in the class, even though you're here to make sure there's silence and discipline? Miss, I told them to keep quiet, but still, they were screaming. Students, what is this unruly behavior? The monitor has been entrusted with the responsibility of maintaining silence and discipline in the class when the teacher is not around. But still you're screaming? At least show some respect. How would you feel if you're minding the class and the students were making noise? Would not feel good. Exactly. Thank you, Miss, for teaching us this valuable lesson. Monitor, please mind the class. Thank you everyone for cooperating with me and keeping quiet and also showing me some respect.
Moral. Respect for ourselves guides our morals. Respect for others guides our manners. Scene 2. Honesty is the best policy. Teachers collecting the students' assignments.
Students, I had given you an English assignment last week. Please pass it to the first bench and hand it over to me.
Miss, I don't have the assignment. Can I give it to you tomorrow?
I have clearly told you all today was the last day to submit the assignment, but still you haven't got it.
Sorry, miss.
Now since you haven't got it, I'll give you until tomorrow to submit it.
Okay, miss.
Anyways everyone, please remove your English workbooks.
Hey Danny, can I have the science book? I need to copy some notes.
Sure, take it from my bag.
Okay, thanks. Miss.
What's wrong? Why are you screaming?
Sorry for shouting, miss, but I found the English assignment in Danny's bag.
Really?
Yes, miss.
You told me that you didn't have your assignment with you. Why did you lie to me?
Miss, I got the assignment, but on the way I realized that I had not completed it.
Why did you tell me you haven't completed the assignment?
Miss, I thought you would shout at me. That's why I lied.
If you were honest and told me the truth, then I would have given you extra time until tomorrow to complete it.
Okay, miss, I'm sorry for lying to you.
Apology accepted.
Thank you, miss, for accepting my apology. Moral. Tell the truth and admit when you are wrong. Make amends, be constructive, accept consequences, and share your feelings. Scene 3. Keep your school clean. It is recess break and some students are littering the classroom.
The drawing class was filled with fun today.
Yes, it was.
I am going to the canteen. Wait here for me. Hey friends, here's the food stuff.
Tom and his friends finish eating the food, and instead of throwing the wrappers in the dustbin, they throw it on the ground.
Students, why are you littering the class?
Sir, we finished eating
home the message to be responsible people. We now have our talented singers motivate you with the song I Can Do It.
I am truly motivated. Thank you, friends.
We all have different hobbies which we always enjoy doing. Some of us like to draw or sing or dance or do creative art, etc. Hobbies keep us fruitfully occupied in our spare time. You, my dear friends, are now invited to view some of the hobbies which have been kept by our classmates on to your left. Dancing is also a hobby, and our friends will now show you that they love to dance with a performance on the song Bam Bam Bole.
Suruh-suruh मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगोके ये बुद्धू बनाए हमने ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे खुद के सोचे आओ मकसद फैलाओ रंग नए बिखराओ चल 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 नए ख्वाब बुनने और ट्रक के क्यों टैंकर फुल आंखें बंद डब्बा गुल और बंद दरवाजे खोल दे हो जा बिंदास बोल दे मैं भी हूँ तू भी है और मैं भी तू भी अक्सर मिलके बम चिक बम 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 बम
That was fun to watch. We now request Father Principal to address us with his words of wisdom.
So good morning, students. Good morning, Father. So this is your first assembly? Yes, is it your first one? The second assembly. So I think I missed the previous assembly. Which class was the previous assembly? Six. C. Okay. 6? B. Okay. Okay, Ms. Naila Machava, assembly, I think I missed. So we are very happy that the students of 6B have given such a powerful, such an entertaining, isn't it? And such an enlightening performance to the assembly. And there was variety entertainment in the assembly. There were songs, there were dances, there were skits. Okay? And to put up a performance like this requires a lot of practice, planning, effort, hard work, what else? Courage, very nice. Determination, very nice. So, all these qualities are required. It doesn't happen overnight. And so I think the students of 6B along with their class teacher, they deserve a very loud round of applause. So let's clap for them. Teacher Renu along with the students. That's such a wonderful performance. And we are reflecting this month on the theme of being responsible. Isn't it? So being responsible. And were told that being responsible means being careful, being trustworthy, in different aspects. We spoke about one of the different aspects we spoke about to this kid. Being truthful, responsible also means being truthful, not having to tell lies about your homework, doing your duties. I'd like to give you another interpretation of my understanding of being responsible. Responsibility. The word responsibility, what does it mean? So I keep telling students the meaning lies in the word itself. So we have response and ability. So it is your response to your abilities. What are some of the abilities that you have? What ability do you have? You have any abilities? Yes or no? You don't have any abilities. Who has abilities here? Let me hear some of your abilities. Come. Yes. You could say, don't understand. You tell me. It's to draw. Very good. Fantastic. What ability you have? To dance. Very good. What ability you have? What ability you have? To swim. What ability you have? Riddhi. To dance. To music. I love listening to music. Very good. Yeah. Last one. We'll take a last one. Okay, we'll take a last one. To sketch. Okay. Last one. Last one. Yeah. To speak. Very nice. It's all of us have are blessed with abilities. And we have a lot of hidden abilities as well. Some of the abilities you have displayed over here to your hobby. Students of HP have displayed. I'll ask them. Very good. What ability you have? To think. Very nice. Okay. He's able to think, deep thoughts. Very nice. Okay, now later. Okay. So response to your ability means what? All these abilities you have, you bring them to the fore, you bring them out. Some students have got out to their dance, songs, they have made their sketches, paintings, some projects they have made. Okay. So response to your ability. Don't sleep on your abilities. Bring your abilities out and use these abilities for the good of the society, for the good of the country. Then you'll have a sense of fulfillment, that you're not selfish with your abilities, that you're using your abilities for what? For the growth, development, and for the good of the society, good of the country. Okay. So you understood the meaning of the word responsibility? Yes. So what's the meaning of the word responsibility? It's a response to my abilities, to bring my abilities to the fore, not to keep them buried. And this school is a wonderful opportunity for you. We have a lot of activities happening, isn't it? So many activities this month. What are these activities for? Waste of time? No. These are activities, opportunities given to you to bring your abilities to the fore. When you grow not only intellectually, you also grow in all the other dimensions. In your talents, in your abilities. So this is my wish and my prayer for you. That you be responsible and bring your abilities to the fore. Bring it up. So good morning, God bless you and have a wonderful day ahead.
The house points for the month of August are as follows. Red House 114 points, Blue House 116 points, Green House 116 points, and Yellow House 118 points. The best house is the Yellow House. I request the house captain and the house teacher to receive the trophy and the flag. class 6C. I request the class teacher and the class monitors to receive the trophy.